Welcome to the channel. If you're watching this, your Volkswagen Audi Group fuel cap actuator is probably broken, which means you can't put fuel in your car. Before we get on to how to fix the issue, it's worth coming into your boot, opening this flap here and giving the red cord a really hard pull, and that might manually release your fuel cap door and let you get fuel into the car. As you can see, that didn't work for me, so what I had to do was break the fuel door open and snap the end off the actuator here, and that allowed me to get fuel in and out of the car until the new part arrived. So to get out the broken bit, we need to break off the two clips here and take off that black trim. And then we need to install our new actuator, which will look like this. I'll leave the part number in the video description below. So to get the trim off, I bought a auto trim removal tool set on Amazon for £10. I'll leave a link in the description below. And as you can see, you just need to get the tools under the rubber edge on the piece of trim and just keep working your way around until those two clips pop off and you'll get access to the actuator behind. The actuator itself is held on by two T20 screws, so we just remove one and two. Then I've removed the emergency release cord because I want to reuse that with my new actuator. And finally we're going to release the electrical connector here, which just requires a little bit of pressure on the top there and will slide out. Then it's a simple case of reattaching the emergency release cord. And reattaching the actuator with the two T20 screws we took off earlier. Then we need to reconnect the electrical connector, and you'll see here that I did this after screwing the part back on. I would actually recommend you reattach the electrical connector first to make it a little bit easier for yourself. Lastly, we just need to push the part back into place with a good firm push. And you'll see that the door now opens and closes using the actuator. The final thing you want to check is just that the central locking system works. So you see I've locked the car, unlocked the car, and it should open and close. If this video has been useful to you, please consider hitting that subscribe button as we have more fun car content coming soon.